Hi everyone and welcome to Bojan Cybersecurity channel. In this platform, I share cybersecurity threat concept, methodology of cyber attacks, penetration testing skills lab, and internet security data privacy tips. If you are new getting started to cybersecurity, welcome, and this is a perfect career choice specifically for those who love solving IT problems. My name is Shows Ernest, certified ethical hacker. Today's video is about how to identify vulnerability using OAuth 2.0 framework. Without further ado, let's get started. For this purpose of this video, we are going to see the definition of OAuth 2.0, and we're gonna solve our first lab. Try to find a vulnerability using a social media account and log in with another account without any password. And the tools we're gonna use is Burp Suit and Proxy. Now, what is OAuth 2.0? OAuth 2.0 is a commonly used authorization framework that enables you to access a website or applications without your full user account credential. Say, for example, the B app would like to access the basic info and photo from your phone. And you click Allow. As soon as you click Allow, you can notice that this app is able to install without any password. That's the purpose of OAuth 2.0. So now, is there any vulnerability within this platform? We're gonna see in our first lab. This lab uses an OAuth 2.0 service to allow users to log in with the social media account. For this purpose of this lab, we're gonna use only one account, and the account is Winner, and the password is Peter. So we're gonna use some Burp Suit to intercept the login credential and replace that credential with Carlos' email address, and we should be able to log in with Carlos without any password. Without further ado, let's go to our lab. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to use Windows 10. We're gonna open portrigger.net. That's the company that's developed, that create Burp Suit software, and the Burp Suit software allows you to do web security testing. In this lab, I'm going to use some Burp Suit Community Edition. If you don't have an account yet, you can go ahead and create your first account. It's gonna help you to solve this problem. Now, what we're gonna do, let's click on Burp Suit Community Edition. You can click on download the latest version. Since I already have it, I don't have to re-download it. So for me, I'm gonna go to the desktop and run Burp Suit. As soon as you run Burp Suit, it's gonna prompt you to the next screen. You just need to click on it. Yes. Open up Burp Suit from your search bar. Here we double click on it. It's gonna open. Since we don't have any existing project right now, that's fine to use temporary project. We click on start. There are three things we are going to work with. The first thing we're gonna look at is the proxy. Let's click on proxy and intercept and a repeater. We have repeater here. As you can see, you can use Burp. You can use Burp embedded browser if you have open Chrome. If you have a Safari, and you can click on the document below to see how you can enable the proxy. Since I already have the proxy enable. So I'm gonna show you just in case if you need to install the certificate, because most of the time when you open the browser it won't work. You can open the browser to install the certificate. You type HTTP and burp, you will get the certificate and download it. Now, once you download the certificate, you can, in order to install that certificate, you click on here, you go to setting and type certificate, click on security all the way to manage certificate, and you can click import, next, and you select the certificate. Sometimes if you don't see it on download folder, you have to click here, all files. Now you're gonna see it, and you click on it, and you click next. Since I already have it installed, I don't have to do it twice, just to avoid any mistake. So now we have a Burp Suit installed, we have our certificate. We're gonna open our lab. So where is our lab? This is our lab. This lab uses an open service to allow users to log in with the social media account. As you can see, the lab is not yet solved. We are going now to try to solve this lab. We're gonna open the lab first. And before we open the lab, we have to make sure we click on history. And we can just turn off on the intercept. Click on HTTP history. Now, let me arrange my screen. Good. And we can see here, we're gonna click on access lab. We don't have this open, and we click on access lab. The lab is going to open, and we should be able to have a menu. Here we go. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use a winner as login as winner, and type the password Peter and click on sign in. As we can see here, we should be able to get this. We should be able to intercept. Okay, you have my account, username is winner, and email address winner@dag.com. Now, for the purpose of this lab, we have to find a way to replace winner@dag.com with Carlos at carlosmayer.com. That was the purpose of the video. So without further ado, let's go back to our lab description. That's where you can see the email address we have to replace. This is the email address we have to replace. Until now, the lab is not yet solved. We have to replace carlos@montoya.net. So in order to do that, we have to find the way where the authentication we can identify the authentication ID. If you look at here, you see a post that has authenticate menu. When you click on the post, you're gonna scroll down here. Let me stretch my window a little bit. This is where you're gonna change a winner account. And when you change it, before you change the winner account, you have to click on send to repeater. But after that, we're gonna send to repeater, and you click on repeater here, and you're gonna change this email address. What we're gonna put Carlos at carlos-montaya.net. All right, so Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna send this to the website. Good, it receive it, and we're gonna go back again, and we click on here and send on the repeater. We're gonna click on here on request in a first. Request in original session. We just need to copy the link and now and paste the new link we have here. That's gonna allow us to log in to this browser. As you can see, congratulations, you solved the lab. So we're gonna verify exactly if we were able to replace Carlos, winner by Carlos. Here we go. We have our lab um, successfully solved. As you can see, guys, we were able to solve this lab by changing winner account email address with Carlos without any password, without typing any username for Carlos. Burp Suit is a powerful tool, guys. You can take advantage of the free community edition to scale your skill to the expert level. Let's conclude the lab for today. As you can see, if you know how to use Burp Suit, you will be able to do web penetration testings at any level as soon as you know exactly you start doing your lab. Once you complete all the lab from post trigger, you will be able to achieve a higher level. That's concluded our first lab for today. See you on the next video.